are a 1.2 billion strong country which comprises of 17.5% of the world population. But why is that? That even not a single Indian movie has earned an Academy Award for any category. All we hear is Gandhi, Slumdog Millionaire, which have not even been made by Indian artists. Why is that Bollywood still is being rated as the second great industry behind Hollywood? So in our discussion, let's discuss why our film industry lags behind Hollywood.
First of all, I like to say that I think my friend has wrongly interpreted. Yes, Hollywood is superior to Bollywood, but it's a far cry. That means Bollywood stands nowhere in comparison to Hollywood, not second behind. Yes, it is second. It's the second biggest film industry after Hollywood, but there's too much of a gap. That is the topic.
The reason is Indian cinema actually lacks creativity. It is also the overusage of the same plot line every time. The Indian movies are inspired from the daily soaps. So if a movie is always on the same topic, why would any country or why would any other foreign place would appreciate the same topic again and again? Even in our Bollywood, we don't get no new actors or directors get chances. The reason is that they don't want to lose business. The thing is that if they lose it, even if they give the chance to the director or the new actor, they have to implement the thinking according to the producers, because again the main motive is earning business. In India, the main motive of movie making is earning business. In foreign, it's actually to earn the audience and to get more and more of attention.
No, but their motive is also earning, because if we compare the revenue of Bollywood to Hollywood, although we see the number of film produced in Bollywood is double as compared to Hollywood, but the revenue earned by Hollywood is almost double or triple times of Hollywood. So we cannot compare on that front. The Hollywood main motive is not earning profit or.
No, actually it is, but for Bollywood, it is the main motive. The directors use the same plot line so that they can earn money. If they change the plot line, again they will lose audience. They don't want to take risks. Movies we have like Hazar Khwaish, Aisi and Iqbal, they don't get audience so much.
We have never tried to, increase our perimeter, because most of the Bollywood movies are based on romance and the same plot line, and most of the Bollywood movies are inspired or copied from the Hollywood movies, whereas the Hollywood movies has made movies in all areas, be it romance, be it 3D movies. In every aspect, Hollywood has made an impact, not only one area.
I think if we are talking about the technological aspects, then the Bollywood is of course far ahead of us. But if we consider movies which are related to the social impacts and the social causes, I think we still make movies that have such an impact. We make around 1,000 movies a year, and what we are right now talking about are those 50 to 100 movies that are popular amongst the people. So let's not just talk about them and talk about a broader perspective.
If we consider a film industry to be an organization and an actor to be an employee, the organization is only as good as its employees. So let's take a look at how Hollywood actors approach their roles. For this role in The Dark Knight, the leading actor shut himself down for 1 year in a room talking to no person so that he can get the intensity of the Joker. And when we ask Salman Khan, how did you prepare for Ek Tha Tiger? He just said, I went to the gym and worked out a bit and reached the set. So that's where the dedication of the actor lies. If the employee does not have the dedication, how will the organization reach greater heights?
But when we talk about actors like Raj Kapoor and Amir Khan, then we see that these actors have dedicated themselves to prepare their movies. When we talk about Amir Khan for preparing for Ghajini, he built his body. Then in continuation with it, preparing for Three Idiots, he changed his role, he changed his personality to a college boy. And when you talk about Raj Kapoor, he had prepared himself as a Joker. He represented himself as a Joker in the movie Mera Naam Joker.
My friend, exceptions are always there. They cannot be 100% constancy in anything. So what I'm talking about is the general perspective of how an average Hollywood actor approaches his role. We don't have that work culture in Bollywood. The general sentiment is that if you get a good script, you get a top actor, not a very good script, a decent enough script, and a very top actor. You get so and so much screens to release the movie. You'll recover your cost and get a profit of 100 crores.
This is the
within
need
2
of the
weeks.
hour, because this is how the Indian market is. This is how the Bollywood is reaching so many audience. This is the tactic which is used.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, my friend. The Indian audience has been given substandard cinema. That's why they are addicted to it. That's why the level of the cinema is not increasing, because everybody thinks of short-term goals and not about expanding the horizons and advantage in the long run. That's why we are lagging behind the Western cinema.
Now, when my friend, you talk about exceptions, I would like to tell you that Shah Rukh Khan, who is titled as the King of Romance, when he prepared himself for Chak De India, there was no, you cannot see him as a romantic hero in any role there. Further, when you talk about Hrithik Roshan, he prepared himself for the movie Laksh, which was a military-based movie. He prepared himself consistently there. Talking of the three Khans who are very famous in the Indian industries, out of these three, at least two are there who have prepared himself for the heavy
My
movie
friend,
play.
we are not talking about the actors, we are talking about why Hollywood.
So
Bollywood
that's
is
why
behind
I'm
Hollywood. I
saying-
think we're deviating from the topic. We are
I
not
think
here
my
to
point
talk
was
about
that-
actors.
Two ways would be that to make those profits, to make a film economically successful, we would always require brandizing and merchandising. So there hasn't been a culture of brandizing or merchandising anywhere in Bollywood. So that's why probably we are making substandard cinema, and that's the reason for it.
See, if you talk about branding and merchandising, I believe the movie Ravan was very successful in creating those toys, but it was still not successful because the script was very weak. The storyline was not strong enough to sustain the movie. So one can say that Bollywood certainly believes that imitation is the best form of flattery. So most of the movies have their themes copied from Hollywood. Even if you talk about a movie like Gajni, which
But
was...
there are movies like Chakravyuh, there are movies like, there are good movies, Devdi, for example, but they don't earn the profits. So that's why probably we just don't go for good cinema.
Yeah, but those movies maybe they didn't have enough of marketing, so that's why they couldn't promote themselves better.
I would like to convey this message that Hollywood movie generally use technology and better revenue than Bollywood. And in Bollywood we can see that they use less revenue and they wanna earn better money. That's why they are not using technology in this era, because we can easily see that like a movie Vicky Donor, they use less revenue and they earn more than 100 crore revenues. So they think that we can easily earn revenue with using this revenue. That's why they are not using technology. And in Hollywood we can see that they use action. The real stunt they can use in On Back 2 movie. Tony Jaa did his action only. So in a Bollywood movie we can see that they hire the stuntman and stuntman do the stunt, and in this way they complete the movie. So we have to discuss this issue just now.
I don't agree with you, my brother. Region of in India, there are some movies. The first movie which includes science fiction is Ravan. What is going on? He flopped. The response of audience also most important. You can see that in India, people are only want to like something different type films. like they want only love and affection, these types of films. What's going on? They are only going love type stories and they are not doing some well. When a director make some socialized film, no one want to go for watch these movies, and then they became
There is
broke.
a certain domain that we are talking about. When we talk about Bollywood, we associate it with drama, with romance. So that's what Bollywood is all about. And I think it's a separate domain, and we have a good reputation in that domain.
Yes, it is a common misconception that they have the better technology, that's why they produce the better movies. My friends, I would like to tell you that the biggest hit in the history of cinema is a movie that did not have the most advanced technology. It is Gone with the Wind. It's a emotional movie which we Indians are considered to be the best
We
at.
are talking about the general, most of the movies are related to technology.
No.
And we are not talking about the exceptional cases.
No, if you have gone through a website, imdb.com, the top 50 movies have 80% of those top 50 movies do not have use of any excessive technology to them. They are there just because of the good script, good acting, and good connection with the audience. And if you want to take the advantage of technology, I would like to make one more point. Two movies nominated for an Oscar, The Hurt Locker and Avatar. If you would have considered technology, Avatar would have certainly won, hands down. But The Hurt Locker won the Oscar just because of a better script and better thought gone into production.
Better scripts are being produced and written and acted in India also. Talking about movies like Tare Zameen Par and Chak De India, which have provoked the sentiments of Indians which were there, like Tare Zameen Par considered how you should treat a child, and Chak De India, because of that movie, after that movie, Indian hockey team also performed very well. So we cannot say that Indian movies are not based on sentiments; they are totally on romance or something
Last
like
1
that.
minute.
Yes, absolutely. Indian movies, they produce good Indian movies, but they do not get such a response from the audience. Coming back to my audience point, the audience, they do not get such backing that if you produce a very good social movie, you do not have an expectation of such an amount of profit which you get from a movie with a star with an average script.
The reason behind that could be
That's why we lag behind.
Yeah, but things have been changing in the last, say, 10 years.
Still have to
People like
understand
Anurag
the
Kashyap, people like Prakash Jha have been making movies that
I would
have
like to-
dealt with
I would like to-
issues. And I think that
The
we
reason-
are progressing on the right path.
the
I
reason
would
behind
like to add some more points regarding the gap between the Hollywood and the Bollywood. It's just because of the opportunities. The Hollywood, the opportunity what he gets is that he can make business overall in world, all international theater. He can just view his films, and the language they use is universal, and the language which is used in Bollywood is not universal. It is just limited in 2 to 3 countries. Hindi mostly it is used in.
further, if you produce a good number of movies,
That would be really important because Bollywood caters around 3 billion population of the world. So it's not a small number to cater to.
But it is only 16.6 something as compared to